Quick start versus reset. Two systems, two problems, one path to consistency. Here's the problem you need to understand. Momentum and consistency are not the same thing. Most people confuse the rush of starting with the discipline of staying. Staying consistent is the skill. Most people have two different problems. Can't start. This comes with paralysis, overthinking, and analysis. And the blank page wins every time. If this is your problem, you need quick start. Start but drift. This comes with strong launches, weak follow through, but the fade is predictable. If this is your problem, you need reset. Quick start gives you a clean slate and simple structure. It's built for people that are stuck at zero. No complexity, no theory. Just a minimal framework to begin. Reset gives you daily missions and tracking. It's built for people who start strong but lose the thread. It installs consistency through structure, not motivation. Starting is easy. Anyone can start. Anyone can light a fire. The skill is to keep it burning when no one is watching. Staying consistent is a true skill that you need. Discipline isn't felt, it's practiced. Day after day, regardless of conditions. Disciplined people follow standards. They don't confuse feelings with progress. Emotions shift, standards don't. Motivation fades, systems persist. Progress compounds, perfection delays. Here's your path forward. If you want both systems, start with quick start. Get moving, build momentum. Then move into reset when you feel the drop, when consistency starts to slip. Don't confuse feelings with progress. Follow the standard. Quick start link is below. Reset link is below. Obey, build, lead. Execution turns principles into wealth.